Just say it.
Just say it.
Just say it, Claire.
Oh, just say it, Kyle!
And then you just say it.
Oh, just say it. You're bad in bed.
You've got something to say, then just say it.
You got something to say, just say it.
There's no easy way to say this, so I'll just say it.
So I'll just say it. Your brothers are dead.
Say what?
I'm the same as you. Just say it. Say it.
Just say it. You're not interested in him because he's Puerto Rican.
What in the world are you talking about?
If you want me to leave, just say it.
Forget everything else and just say it to me.
Did you sleep with her? Just say it.
I don't really know how to say this.
Just say it.
Okay.
Just say it. You're the bigger man, Sheldon. Don't stop.
Just say it. Just say the words. You think I'm stealing?
Come on, you can say it.
No, really, it's moronic.
Just say it.
Can I feel your bosoms before I go?
Say your name. Go ahead, just say it.
Catherine.
Bullshit.